Right, let me show you what we have as far as our tropical weather is concerned. We've talked a lot about this trough of low pressure that's inland right now over northeast Mexico. So National Hurricane Center says that that's eventually going to drift to the northeast and move into the western Gulf. It's at that point that we could see a very low end risk of it starting to acquire some tropical characteristics. And right now they're still only tagging it with about a 30% chance. Regardless of whether it becomes a depression or a named storm, there is a tremendous amount of moisture with this. You can see that here on the satellite image with some of those higher cloud tops. And so what does that mean as all of that continues to drift to the north and east over the next 5 to 6 days? That's going to mean some tremendous rain for a lot of the southern states, for Louisiana, Mississippi, and even Alabama as we go forward in time. And if you look at some of these rain totals, there's likely going to be at least some areas that pick up more than 8-9 inches of rain. Here in central Alabama, again, it's really at least this far out a little bit more difficult to kind of exactly pinpoint who's going to see that higher corridor of rain totals. But it is possible that we could see 3 to 6 inches of rain here in central and south central Alabama as we go into the end of the week, when the majority of that's going to be impacting us then. Today, not as hot. There'll be a few showers in some of our southern counties. I have made tomorrow a first warning impact day. A lot of folks are going to be out voting in the runoff election, and so just make sure you take the umbrella with you. We're not expecting any severe weather, although there could be some localized flooding. More of a nuisance than anything. It's just going to be wet at times. It could be pouring down rain, and then a short time after that, the rain could let up for a bit, and then it could start raining again. So just occasional showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder too on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, rain chances drop a bit, but I do still think there'll be at least some activity around. Here's a look at the future track through the day today. Most of it staying south of us. And then by tomorrow morning, it looks like we'll have some showers, even a few thunderstorms possible during the morning, although I think the better chance for some thunder and lightning will be during the afternoon on Tuesday. That's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see, especially along and south of I-20, that's where it looks like we're more likely to see some of those heavier downpours for Tuesday. And then Wednesday, fewer thunderstorms around, but then here comes some of that heavier tropical rain come Thursday and Friday, with temperatures expected to be in the 80s. Hey, stay with us. We're back after the break.